conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a possibility of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. This water is becoming a light shock, and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in northeast Florida: Clay, Duval, Nassau, Putnam, and St. Johns, and for Camden County in southeast Georgia. In addition to the regular tone alarm, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning device called SAME, which is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal warning tone, which alerts all alarmable NOAA weather radios in range of this broadcast, SAME allows people with a SAME-equipped weather radio to be notified of watches and/or warnings affecting only the county desired. For more information regarding NOAA weather radio, contact the National Weather Service at 13701 Fang Drive, Jacksonville, Florida, 32218, or call 1-904-741-4370. You can also visit our website at weather.gov/jacks. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio station KHP39. Up to 30 miles per hour. Heat index values up to 107. Tonight.
Okay, so I accidentally slept for too long and made me almost miss that. I got woken up by siren, so. Okay, so KHP39 just went off the air. So I guess XJ70, Melbourne, Florida.
Heat index values up to 100.
Why you put it?
Mostly sunny. A chance of
It's not in the cards at all. I do not expect the XJ70 right now.
Today, south winds 10 to 15. For the local area, upper 70s.
Is that Melbourne? Melbourne?
Weekly test. The proceeding signal the weather radio public warning system.
Oh, yes.
Receivers are activated hazard. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. The next day, weather permitting, especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater not from the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville. The current climate with warning alarm codes actually received insufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, in Orange counties, Ocala, sunny, 84, humidity 74%. Age 63 in Orlando, warning alert after midnight. Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Pope, Seminole, and Volusia counties. Alerts activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 and Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has the goal of the radio public warning system. We can return to the regular broadcast.
Hey. There we go.
Yeah, it was not bad. Could have been better, yeah, but I mean, it could still count. It was, I'm happy.